welcome back again to another exciting edition of Duckman Cycles in VW Garage. I'm your host, the Duckman. Behind me here we have my 1956 Volkswagen Beetle, also known as Eleanore. This is a chop-top Beetle. I built it from a complete piece of junk that was submerged under seawater after a hurricane. There wasn't much left of the car, so I didn't have any problems with chopping it, and that's what I did. But today we're here to discuss a contest. If you've been watching me build this gas tank for this Beetle, you see that I put a lot of work into it, and that the capacity of it is probably going to be higher than that of a stock gas tank from between 1960 to 67. The gas tank in particular normally would hold 10.5 gallons, or 10.6 according to the Volkswagen manual. So we're going to go with 10.6 as the baseline. This contest comes as an idea from one of my fans, Charlie Whitlock. Thank you very much, Charlie, for this. How about we have some guesses as to what the new capacity of this gas tank is going to be? Wonder how much it's going to be. We're going to use 10.6 from the Volkswagen manual as the baseline. That's 10.6 gallons, not liters, gallons. I'll put the conversion process right here at the bottom of the screen in liters. I don't mind accepting an answer either way. You got to go ahead and like the Facebook group page, get on there, look for the pinned comment for this particular car with the gas tank and the contest, and in the comments section below, you go ahead and you post your answer. What I'm going to give is going to be, and you're going to love this, $50 goes to he or she who guesses most correctly without going over. And that is the capacity of this gas tank. Figured we'd start out up here real quick. Yes, when I was last working on that tank, those welds looked really shitty. But I've since gone over those welds another time, and I worked out the grounding problem that I was having with my welder. And with that said, I then got a proper bead across there, which I then smoothed out with a grinding disc. And it's not as ugly as it once was. I'm much happier with the results that we got here. And as you probably noticed, I de-rusted the tank as well with a wire wheel. Some rust is still showing through, but the rest of that will be taken off with a little bit of phosphoric acid. I'll get this thing soaked up real nice, and then we're going to start coating it. And we're also going to be running a contest. You know, it's quite a curiosity as to how much more this tank is going to be holding. So if you'd like to discuss that, please head on over to my Facebook group page, Duckman Cycles in VW Garage. And once you get over there, by the way, the link is also down in the video description here if you just want to click. When you get over there, look for the thread involving this gas tank, and that's where the contest is going to be held. Now, I'm not going to release the results as to how much this holds, of course, until it's done. I'm going to coat the inside of the tank first, so that way it doesn't get rusty on the inside, and any of the rust that is there is going to be, you know, encapsulated, and we're just going to fill it up with water, and I'm going to do that for two reasons. One, because I could just spill it on the ground and not worry about it, and two, if it leaks, it's only water that's coming out. It's not gasoline that's, you know, expensive just to be wasted, and it's also highly volatile, flammable, you know, just, yeah, I could have a problem. So we don't need that thing squirting everywhere. So we're going to fill it up with water. Because it has the sealer on the inside of it, we don't have to worry about it rusting out on the inside, and we'll figure out exactly how much overstock that it's going to be. And you can tell me in gallons, you can tell me in liters. I don't mind doing the conversion into math, because I don't mind you metric sexuals out there. I'm one of them too. So with that said, contest on this tank. Please go on over to the Facebook group page and look for the thread with this tank, with the contest. I'll probably pin it right on the top. Once you get over there, go ahead and post in the comments. How much more overstock do you think it's going to be? If you edit your comment, you're disqualified. Whatever the first answer is the one I'm going to accept. The answer will probably be released sometime later this month when I get this thing finished. It all depends on what the weather's going to do. Starting to get a blue sky. Hooray. So thanks for watching, you guys.